Hi everyone, welcome to Gallery Teachers Masterclass. I'm Fiona, I'm the Principal at Wimbledon School of English, and I'm going to talk to you about accessing professional development for busy teachers in challenging times. So my workshop is about how we can access and integrate professional development into a busy teaching schedule, and in a way that doesn't lead to added workload and added stress. I'd say it's really important to attend because we're in the business of learning and development. So it's something that we should be embracing in our lives to enhance our working lives. I'll provide tools to take the stress and the time out of engaging in CPD and really to look at how we can integrate it meaningfully. How to make it enjoyable, give us a buzz and a feel-good factor in everything that we do in our professional lives. Hopefully the session will help by introducing the idea of reflecting on what CPD we've done and also how we've progressed, how we can set realistic future goals and what is available to us as teachers. I'll also provide some hints on how to integrate this as part of our working lives rather than just an added extra. All in all, it's about you, the teacher, and I hope you leave feeling positive and full of new ideas to continue with your professional development in your career. Thank you.